Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and this is the personal cup with adapter Vitamix. And I really like it because I can do myself a smoothie and also have it on the go. A different kind of drink if I want for my husband. I also love the fact that I can just do my Frappuccino in an instant without going to the store and buy it, saving a lot of money too. It's really practical. It has this wide mouth in case the drink is a little bit more chunky. And it really impressed me the fact that my drinks can be upside down, it won't spill. The lid is also super strong, super sturdy. It has this ring so you can hang it on your purse or your backpack. A big plus is that the base is super slim so it can fit into any car cup holder. And that's my point of view.